welcome to class, and today we will start with a new chapter.
The name of the chapter is Political Parties, and we will cover the following topics: meaning of political party, functions of political party, and necessity of political parties. Political parties are one of the most visible institutions in a democracy. For ordinary citizen, democracy is equal to political parties. Thus, it is important to know the nature and working of political parties. We start with the meaning of political party. A political party is a group of people who come together to contest election and hold power in the government. All political parties have some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective good. They try to persuade people why their policies are better than others. They seek to implement their policies by winning popular support through elections. Political parties reflect fundamental political division in a society. All the parties favor certain part of the society, and that's why they involve partisanship. Here I want to clear the meaning of this word: a tendency to take a side and inability to take a balanced view on an issue. A person who is strong, committed to a party, group or faction is called partial. A party is known by which part it stands for, which policies it supports, and whose interest it upholds. A political party has following three components: the leader, the active members, and the followers. Without these three, a political party cannot exist at all in our areas. Now we move further on the functions of political party. Now we discuss the functions of political party. First of all, candidates are put forward by political parties to contest elections. These candidates may be chosen by the top leaders or by member of party. In some countries like USA, member and supporters of a party choose its candidate. So this is our first function, election. Then we talk about the next function. Parties put forward their policies and programs for voters to choose from them. A government is expected to base its policies on the line taken by the ruling party. That means political party that run government. This is our second function, that is declaration of policies. Then we have political party play a major role in making law for the country. No law can become a bill unless majority parties support it. It means that molding our public opinion is also very much necessary. Political party form and run government. The big policy decisions taken by political executive come from the political parties. Parties shape public opinion. They raise and highlight issues. Parties sometimes also launch movements for the resolution of the problem faced by the people. Then we talk about the next function, that is political parties provide people access to government, machinery and welfare schemes. It is easy for the public to approach their local party leader than a government officer. The local party leader has to listen to the public demand. Otherwise, people can reject them in the next elections. Now we talk about the need for political parties. What is the necessity of political parties? As we said that political parties are needed because they perform variety of functions. Modern democracies cannot exist without political parties. The necessity of parties can be imagined by a situation without party. Without existing of parties, following situation may occur. First, that every candidate in the election will be independent. No one will be able to make any promises to the people about any major policy changes. Second, the government may be formed, but its utility will remain even uncertain. Elected representative will be accountable to their constituency for what they do in the locality, but no one will be responsible for how the country will be run. An example of non-party based elections: the panchayat elections are non-party based election to the panchayat in many states of India. Although the parties do not contest formally, it is generally noticed that the village gets split into more than one group, each of which put up a panel of its candidates. The above example states exactly what the party does. That is the reason the political parties are in almost all the countries, whether these countries are big or small, old or new, developed or developing. They needed a mechanism to support or restrain the government, make policies, justify or oppose them. Political parties fulfill these needs that every representative government has. Thus, political parties are a necessary condition for a democracy. So, each and every country need a political party to run the government. Otherwise, it is not possible for them to run the government in a proper manner.
That's it with today's session. Hope you all understand that. If there is any kind of doubt, feel free to ask. Thank you.